Every morning offers you a sacred doorway, a place where silence meets possibility and where your old self dissolves into the light of what you are becoming. This first light is not outside of you, it rises from within. As you settle into stillness, feel your breath as a gentle reminder that life is moving through you, not around you. With every inhale, you awaken the spark that has been waiting beneath your thoughts, beneath your roles, beneath your memories. This inner light is your true essence. It carries no limitations, no labels, no shadows from yesterday. It is pure potential, ready to shape the day that lies ahead. When you choose to awaken it, you choose to begin your day from power instead of habit. Transformation begins when you stop carrying the emotional weight that was never meant to follow you into a new day. The past holds on to you only when you hold on to it. As you sit in the quiet morning stillness, allow the memories, reactions, regrets, and doubts of yesterday to float to the surface, then watch them drift away like clouds in the early sky. You are not abandoning your past, you are freeing yourself from the emotional residue that keeps you looping through the same experiences. When you release the weight of yesterday, your inner light becomes clearer, brighter, and more capable of guiding you forward into change. Your inner light awakens when you shift your emotional state. You cannot create a transformed life from the emotions of the old one. As you breathe deeply into your heart, consciously choose how you want to feel today. Feel peace rising within you. Feel gratitude expanding in your chest. Feel possibility stretching through your mind. These elevated emotions are not reactions to the world, they are choices that create the world. When your emotional state rises, your inner energy rises. And when your energy rises, the field around you begins to reorganize in your favor. You become aligned with transformation instead of survival. True morning transformation begins when you step back from your thoughts and see them for what they are: patterns, not identity. Most people wake up and immediately fall into the familiar stream of thoughts that shape their day before it even begins. But today, you choose something different. You become the observer. As thoughts appear, thoughts of worry, fear, frustration, routine, you watch them instead of becoming them. Observation gives you space. In that space, you break the automatic cycle of the mind. You reclaim your power, and your inner light grows brighter because you are no longer dimmed by unconscious thinking. Your intention is the compass that directs your inner light. When you set an intention with your heart open and your mind clear, you send a signal into the field of possibility. That signal begins attracting experiences that match your new state of being. In this moment, choose the highest intention for your day. Choose clarity, healing, courage, abundance, or joy. Feel the vibration of that intention in your body. Let it expand beyond your chest, beyond your skin, beyond the space around you. This is how transformation begins, not with action, but with an internal alignment that reshapes the external world. Your inner light carries the blueprint of who you are becoming. When you awaken it, you connect with a version of yourself that already exists in the future, a self who is free, powerful, peaceful, and aligned. Visualize that version of you now. See how they breathe, how they stand, how they move through life. Feel the emotions of that future self as if they are happening now. When the brain and body experience the future emotionally, they begin to believe it is already real. This is how transformation takes root. You begin to embody the future instead of waiting for it to arrive. As your morning meditation comes to its fullness, feel your inner light glowing through your entire being, your mind calm, your heart open, your energy elevated. The world has not changed yet, but you have. And because you have, your world will respond differently to you today. Step into your day as a presence of light. Step into conversations with clarity. Step into challenges with calm. Step into opportunities with confidence. You are no longer moving from the patterns of your past. You are moving from the power of your awakened self. Today, you are the light. And from this light, transformation begins. As you rise from this meditation, remember that nothing outside of you determines the light you carry you do. You have awakened the energy that transforms direction, reshapes identity, and opens new possibilities. This inner light is not fragile. It is not temporary. It is the essence of who you are becoming. When you choose to return to it again and again, you step beyond old patterns and into a life designed by intention rather than memory. Carry this light into your day. Let it guide your choices, soften your reactions, and illuminate the moments that call you to grow. And whenever life feels heavy or uncertain, come back to this stillness, to this breath, to this inner place where transformation begins. Today, you do not just start a new morning, you start a new way of being. You are awake, aligned, and ready to create the life that reflects the light within you.